Today I'm reviewing the ULTIMEA Skywave X70 7.1.4 channel professional wireless surround sound system with Dolby Atmos, a 980W soundbar, and a 10 inches wireless subwoofer. If you want to check current pricing or availability, that's linked below. I've had this system driving my TV audio for movies, streaming shows, gaming, and everyday TV use over multiple sessions, not just a quick demo. This review reflects how it actually performs in normal living room scenarios. Let's set expectations clearly. This isn't a tiny TV speaker booster or a music-only Bluetooth bar. It's engineered to give you a more immersive surround experience with Dolby Atmos high-end surround effects, plus deeper bass through a dedicated subwoofer. It's also not a full discrete 7.1.4 speaker rack with separate amps and wired satellites. It's a practical, integrated solution built around a wireless approach. Here's how it performs in real use. Spatial sound and Atmos presence. Once set up, the 7.1.4 layout and Dolby Atmos decoding noticeably broaden the sound field compared to typical stereo or basic 3-channel soundbars. Overhead effects, rain, helicopter blades, ambience and cinematic content feel less flat and more layered. Sound seems to move above and around you rather than only left to right. Dialogue remains clear in mixed scenes. Even when bass and effects kick in, voices tend to stay defined. That's meaningful in everyday TV watching because you don't have to constantly adjust volume just to hear speech over action. Low-end weight and subwoofer integration. The included 10 inches wireless subwoofer makes a real difference. In movie scenes with deep LFE, low-frequency effects, explosions, engine rumble, big musical cues, there's a presence you don't get from a soundbar alone. It feels like real bass extension rather than just louder lows. Music also benefits. Tracks with strong bass content feel fuller and more grounded. It doesn't shake walls like a large pro audio sub might, but in a typical living room it delivers weight you can feel without distortion at moderate listening levels. Wireless integration keeps the setup tidy. I didn't need to run long cables, and pairing between the bar and sub stayed stable throughout use. Volume behavior in room fit at everyday listening levels. TV shows, streaming movies, background music, the system feels balanced. When you push it louder for action films or big game soundtracks, the sound field widens and dynamics remain controlled rather than harsh or compressed. You do notice that very high volumes stretch the system closer to its limits. The subwoofer becomes more dominant and mid-range can feel slightly pushed, but at real-world levels this isn't an issue. Remote and controls and menus are straightforward. You can adjust bass, center levels, and surround balance without navigating deep menus. That makes tuning for your room easier in practice. Comparison with alternatives. Compared with basic soundbars that only boost TV speakers, this system feels much more immersive and dynamic. You get real surround and hide effects instead of simulated stereo widening. Against full discrete surround systems with an AB receiver and wired speakers, you trade some precision and isolation for convenience and cleaner setup, which is often a fair trade for many living room configurations. This system makes the most sense for people who want immersive TV audio with surround and hide effects, prefer wireless setup without speaker wires behind seating, watch movies, streaming shows, and games, value clearer dialogue alongside deeper bass, appreciate a more enveloping soundstage than basic bars. It's less ideal if you're chasing pro-grade home theater precision or need extremely high sound pressure levels. So here's the bottom line. If your goal is a noticeable upgrade from TV speakers, with deeper bass, broader spatial sound, and Dolby Atmos immersion without a bunch of wired speakers, the ULTIMEA Skywave X70 delivers that in a practical, real-world way. It doesn't replicate a dedicated home theater rack, but for everyday living room use it feels capable and measured. Check current pricing below and evaluate it against your needs.